Welcome to Module 3, LA108ers. Okay, there are two main tasks for this module, and it's fairly light compared to Module 2. The first is peer review, where you will be assigned in groups, and you will be reviewing two of your fellow students' autobiographies and offering the best feedback you can. There are guidelines for doing it on how to develop the themes in their autobiography, make sharper and clearer and more colorful their descriptive language, how to take the reader more into the experience. So again, we really understand the essence of who we are as artists based on what we've written. So we'll be reviewing two of our fellow students' essays, and we're going to be reading a very lavish and beautiful example of autobiographical writing. That's an excerpt from Patti Smith's Just Kids. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the discussion topics.